applicable po ba itong 8% tax sa mga freelancer na aside sa services, nagbebenta rin ng books? Ako kasi freelance writer and I also sell books that I wrote under my name. The answer is yes. Applicable po si 8% income tax rate option sa lahat ng self-employed individuals. Yun yung keyword guys, yung individual. Walang 8% income tax rate option sa mga corporation, sa individual business taxpayers lang po. At yes, kahit marami kang business, basta hindi lumalagpas ng 3 million ang combined annual income ng lahat ng business mo, ay pwede kang mag 8% income tax rate option. My name is George. I'm a Freelancers Tax Advisor at JE Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. I-review natin si 8% income tax rate option ay pwede sa lahat ng self-employed individuals taxpayers, kagaya ng professionals, mga freelancer, mga single proprietors. At kahit 2 or more ang businesses mo, basta, very important, hindi lumalagpas ang annual income mo ng 3 million pesos. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.